That's
The
nice.
yeah, the fans, the 2 bedroom. So what is this back here? Oh, see this? Oh, it's a little office or like a little utility room and a restroom right here. Okay, okay. Oh, it's like a little office that lead into the kitchen. Oh, see?
That's cute.
Uh-huh. Oh, this kitchen is little. God dang. Dang. Ooh, Nisha. Look how little. Look, Nisha.
I'm looking.
Look, this the refrigerator. This is how much space you got between the refrigerator and the pantry.
Close the pantry door.
Yeah, that's the pantry door. And this the refrigerator door. Ooh, it's a little mold in there. I guess the lights and stuff are on. Let me see. Yeah, they on.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Yeah.
There. Let me see. Okay. But that's not bad. Yeah, like you walk in, you got some cabinets and stuff. That's a restroom, little half restroom. And here go. Oh, oh wow. Baby. And the yard is just what I wanted.
You don't have to worry
Nisha.
about taking care of nothing.
Hey, look, that's just exactly what I wanted. What? Well, let me see what this little tree. It's from coming from underneath of that will be cut. See the ones next door?
Yes, I do see those.
Those are nice. Hmm. Let me see. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Let me see these cabinets. Oh, it definitely needs some more cabinets. This just a desk, like a desk. Or something. Not really. Hmm, okay. I like the floors though. I,
Yeah, that's
I'm I'm feeling the floors. It's a storage underneath the. Oh, oh, okay.
quite a bit of room up in there.
Yeah. Look like some stuff. How much was this one, Nisha?
134.
Not bad. Well, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 baths, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not functional enough for me. I really would like to have a 3 bed. Oh, and they got stackable. Oh, that's little. Girl, who gonna wash them teaspoon of clothes in that?
But you supposed to be downsizing.
Not like that. Not that down. It's the first restroom. This the closet. Girl, who clothes gonna fit in there, Nisha? Ooh, ja. Ooh, ja.
Are those albums?
Now these are Encyclopedia Charlie Brown.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
mhm. This is the second. Well, they got a security system installed up here. Yeah. So this is the second. Oh, but it's got a lot of.
It's got
It's
two
small.
closets in there.
Yeah, it's little though.
Mhm.
This girl. No, I know it's gonna be a downside to every one, but at least they got a bathtub. At least they got a bathtub. But it's a sink in this floor right here in the middle. Something ain't going on. Something going on right there.
Mhm.
I don't know what it is, but it's a hole right here in the middle of this floor. The floor,
Like a dip.
yeah, it's a dip. Yeah,
Let me see.
you can't
Yep,
see
yeah,
it. I can
it's yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see what you're talking
I,
about.
I have to walk across it when I feel it. This is a second rest. This oh no. Okay, I came in this one already. Okay.
Mhm.
hmm So yeah, you just got the 2 bedrooms upstairs. No room for expansion unless I put somebody on the patio. Oh shoot.
Baby, where you gonna put Tank and what's
Oh, a
tank,
shadow,
tank and Shadow?
baby, and that's the bite.